Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to retouch your makeup on CapCut with a CapCut a new update. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click the new project and add a video that you want to edit. And after this, in here, if you wanna retouch your makeup with CapCut app, so you just click on the clip, and after this, in here at the bottom, you just click on and change this one, click on it, and after this, in here, you just click on the face. And now you can click on the retouch, and in here you can retouch your makeup. Just swipe left or right this icon like this. Okay, and in here you can retouch your brightening. Okay, you can see this is the before after, and after this, in here you can setting the white teeth. Okay, just click on white teeth and swipe this icon. Okay, you can see this is the before after. Okay, and finish. So that's how to retouch your makeup on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.